It's time for a little update. For the people who have been asking for our step files for a while, guess what? They're here. Visit the website docs.zerog.1. Click on Manual, go to Mercury 1.1, Files, and you'll see both links to both step files. But what about Hydra? Don't worry, click on Hydra, go to Files, and again, both files are there. The background footage shows a little preview of our current project. It's an enclosure for our printer. It's in development, so no files yet, but we'll be sure to let you know once they're out. He didn't ask for it, but still a huge shout out to Hector from Fabrico. He got me all the way from the Netherlands to the USA to the Rocky Mountain Rep Fest. At the event, we're not so sure if those tables could hold our printers, so HF3D, aka Scott, decided to test them. I'm sorry dude, I just had to spread the picture some more. Go follow his YouTube channel, I'll post a link in the description. Yes, documentation. It's not my favorite subject, but it has to be done. We used to put everything on our website. The build instructions will now be posted in a PDF file format. It's far from done, so what you're seeing is a sneak preview. Most of you have seen these style of instructions before. That's because Voron does it, so thank you for the inspiration. That will be it for this video. Thanks for watching and have a beautiful day.